your lungs and looks real cool. So next time you're on a crowded train and someone coughs like it's a viral rain, don't run, don't cry, don't wear a snorkel.